Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the history of one of the world's most unique dog breeds, the Basenji. At first glance, they look like any other small hound, but they hide a secret that sets them apart from every other canine. Often called the Congo Terrier, this ancient African breed dates back thousands of years, even appearing in Egyptian tombs. But their most famous trait isn't their age, it's the fact that they don't bark, not even once. Instead of a bark, they produce a sound often described as a yodel, a chortle, or the famous baru. We sasaturhu al krastafer. This is all due to their unique physiology. In their native Africa, being quiet was a survival advantage. Their larynx is shaped differently than other dogs, which means the air passes through it to create that melodic sound instead of a sharp bark. They were originally bred for hunting. Their silence allowed them to stalk prey without being detected in the thick African brush. This independence is a hallmark of the breed. They are often compared to cats for their self-reliance and intelligence. In fact, they even groom themselves like cats, using their paws to wash their faces and bodies. They are incredibly clean animals with virtually no doggy smell, making them unique housemates. Visually, they are striking, with those iconic pointed ears, wrinkled foreheads, and that tightly curled tail. Those wrinkles give them a permanently worried or inquisitive expression that owners find irresistible. Don't let the look fool you. They are highly intelligent and expert problem solvers. However, that intelligence comes with a stubborn streak. They don't just follow orders, they weigh their options. Training a Basenji requires a lot of patience and positive reinforcement. They need to know what's in it for them. They are also high-energy dogs. Despite their small size, they need plenty of physical and mental stimulation. Many Basenjis excel in lure coursing, where their natural speed and hunting instincts can truly shine. Because of their unique needs and independent nature, they aren't necessarily the best choice for first-time owners. But for those who understand them, they make quiet, fascinating companions, especially in apartment settings. Early socialization is key to helping them become well-adjusted members of the family and community. And of course, you'll never get tired of hearing that one-of-a-kind baru whenever they have something to say. They are full of personality and will keep you on your toes every single day. From the ancient Nile to modern living rooms, the Basenji remains a true original in the canine world. Thanks for joining me to learn about the barkless dog. Would you ever own a Basenji? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.